Good morning, my friend. Just finished my run and haven't showered yet. Just fed the dog with some actually chicken breast. Just boiled chicken eggs. Chicken breast. Boiled chicken breast without adding anything on. No salt, no sugar, no pepper, whatever. Yeah, I'm waiting the dog to poop. Yeah. Oh man, it's very windy. I hope the audio is acceptable. I ran 3.88 kilometers this morning. Slowly increasing the links intensity. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, I just saw that woman. She actually oh my goodness, she dropped her high heels like that. The bottom part of her high heels just fell off. She need to go back and change her shoes. Okay, so today is May 20th, 2025. Yeah. A month ago, 420, I was in Uganda with some friends. Yeah. That was a crazy night. Anyway, Waling, that means I love you in China. May 20th. People made a holiday out of this number. 520 stands for I love you in Chinese. So it's another Valentine's Day. I'm not gonna give my girlfriend a gift or anything. I don't think I'm gonna take her to dinner either. I don't know, man, because you don't have to believe in it, right? But you can always express that verbally. You don't have to make everything materialized, right? You don't have to show your love by spending money or wasting money. But no judgment. You do you. If you plan to spend like 10 grand on the back, that's good. I'm going to read books surrounded by idiots. Let's understand each other more. See you there.